Oh, the cheese hits the spot. My kids would have a field day with this. I mean, you know, kids, they love to do things with their hands, but if I allowed them to eat with their hands, you guys wanna try it? Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tia Mowry, and today on Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, we are gonna be making a super easy, delicious cheese bowl. You know how much I love my cheese. That is both keto and kid friendly. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, you guys, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we are gonna be making some zoodles. Do you know what that is? It's a zucchini that looks like a noodle. So, zucchini, noodle, zoodles. I am so corny. All right, I know. I get so excited when I cook. All right, you guys, so first things first, what you are gonna wanna do is, of course, wash your vegetables, right? And then I'm gonna take my knife and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the top here, and then I'm gonna cut the back. This is really interesting, you guys. So a zucchini can be called, a single zucchini can be called zucchini or zucchina. It's like a boy and a girl. Maybe the zucchini is the boy and the zucchina is the girl. Zucchini, zucchina. Are we rolling? You learn something new every single day. So we've already cut up our zucchini, and now I'm about to trim off my zucchina. Now this is a really cool contraption called a spiralizer, and this is gonna turn your zucchini into zoodles. Watch how easy this is. So you wanna make sure that you line up top of your zucchini that you've cut off right in the middle here, and it has like these really cool spikes that make it very stable, the zucchini, or help it stay in place, should I say. All right, you guys, so this is where all of the magic happens, so come a little closer. I really want you guys to see this. I'm gonna start spiralizing this. You're gonna start seeing the zucchini turn into noodles. So if you don't have a spiralizer, that is okay. You can just use a vegetable peeler and you'll get really nice, beautiful ribbons. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. So awesome. And you guys, you know what's a really cool thing about zoodles? It's a great way to get your vegetables in, especially with the kids. My daughter Cairo loves the zoodles. I don't know about you, but you know, sometimes it's hard to pick out the perfect fruit, the perfect vegetable. Well, I'm gonna give you guys some tips. When you're choosing your zucchini, you wanna make sure that you try to pick the medium-sized ones. The bigger ones don't tend to have as much flavor. And also, the darker they are, the richer the nutrients. Just some tips for you. So I think we have pretty much spiralized all of this zucchini, and now we'll go on to the next one. So you don't want to throw this piece away, right? There's a lot of use that you can do with this. You can chop it up, put it in a smoothie, you can put it in a soup. So I'm just gonna put this aside, and we're gonna start spiralizing our next zucchini, or zucchina. As you can see, you get a lot with just one zucchini. One zucchini goes a long way. And you know, you can really zoodle so many things. You can zoodle carrots, you can even zoodle potatoes for those curly fries. This is also a great workout, man. Getting my arm workout and my cardio in. Here's a quick tip. These zoodles are like really long, right? So we want to just kind of cut them and snip them so they're more bite-sized and they're not 40 miles long. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of my zoodles into my bowl. What would a single zoodle be? Zoodie? Zood? No. I like zoodie. Zoodie and zoodah. Zoodie, zoodah. That's a song. Zoodie, zoodah. Zoodie, zoodah. Zoodie, zoodah. Now we're gonna move on and make our delicious cheese bowl. Cheese, glorious cheese. All right, you guys, so now onto, in my opinion, the star of this dish. Now again, like I said, this is extremely easy, but I will say this, you're gonna really wanna have a non-stick skillet. You don't want your cheese adhering and sticking to this skillet. Also, you can either do this on the stovetop, which is what I'm doing today, or you can do this in the oven or the microwave. Okay, let's get this started. So I wanna put this on medium high, all right? You don't want it too high because you don't want your cheese to burn. There we go. And now I'm gonna start adding my cheese to my pan. Now you just wanna start putting a little bit of cheese in at a time. And as you can see, I'm kind of going in this like circular motion. And I want it to be about 6 inches. And if you want a bigger bowl, you could totally make it bigger. So I am using Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. My kids love Parmesan cheese. I love how it has a really nice salty bite to it. Oh, look, come here, the cheese is starting to melt. Look at that. I wanna make sure that this is a single layer of my shredded cheese here. I don't wanna make it too thick, because if you make it too thick, no bueno, no bueno. Don't worry if yours is not round. I'm gonna show you what to do. Play around with your heat. Every stovetop is different. But you see how I'm using the spatula to just move those outside cheese bits in to form a nice circle. Look at how it's getting all nice and bubbly. And see how it's nice and golden brown there? Awesome. And now here is my favorite part. We're gonna add flavor to this cheese bowl. I love garlic. Garlic makes everything better. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic. And I'm sprinkling up high so that it doesn't become so isolated in one place. I'm gonna add some pepper. And what's so really cool about these cheese bowls is you can add whatever flavor profile you like, right? My husband, he loves onion powder, he loves paprika, he actually loves the smoked paprika, so you could use that in here as well. The kids would love like garlic or herbe de Provence. I love that blend of seasonings. It's just so good. It adds so much flavor to anything. Oh my gosh, you guys. I believe my cheese is ready to be flipped. Okay, ready, set, go. Woohoo! Yes, baby, yeah, baby. See how nice and golden brown this is? Oh, you guys, I wish you could be here to smell this. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna let this sit just for a few minutes so that the other side gets really nice and golden brown. Hey man, whenever I'm in the kitchen, there's always some sort of dance party, so. Hey, 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 this is so much fun. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make this cheese look like a bowl. I have my bowl here, right? And I'm just going to take my cheese out, just like that. I'm just gonna place it on top of this bowl. I'm just gonna use this dish towel because it's really nice and hot. And I'm just gonna lightly press it down to start shaping my cheese bowl. All right, you guys, are you ready for the big reveal? This is so amazing and cool. All right. Ta-da! Look at this. So I'm just gonna push this to the side and let it cool. Now onto my Zoodles. You guys, I'm using the same pan here, less mess. Hallelujah. So I'm just gonna put this on a medium high, and then I'm gonna add my butter, about a tablespoon of butter here. And I'm gonna brown my butter just so I can get a really nice nutty flavor. We hear that nice little sizzle sizzle. And then I'm gonna add some garlic. We have a lot of garlic in this dish. Garlic and cheese just go so well together. One of my daughter's favorite meals. It's literally so simple. It's just pasta with butter, Parmesan cheese, and garlic. So this dish is very similar to what my daughter loves, but this is a great way to get veggies in, right? She doesn't even know the difference. Oh my gosh, you guys, the smell of this garlic. Now I'm gonna add my Zoodles here. My zucchini that we've turned into noodles. We are only cooking these for a quick minute. You don't want to cook your zoodles too long because they will be soggy, and we do not want soggy vegetables. Remember, no, 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 no. We don't want our vegetables to go womp, womp. Say it with me. Womp, womp. All right, so I've turned my heat off, and now I'm gonna add even more flavor profiles to this dish. I'm gonna add some salt. Just a little bit of salt here. There we go. And then I'm gonna add some mint. Oh my gosh. Mint smells so good. It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, just put a little bit of mint in there. Mint and zucchini are such a great pair. They're like twins. You could also use parsley. You could also use basil. This looks fantastic. Can you imagine getting dinner on the table in just 10 minutes? 10 minutes! All right, you guys, so who is ready to eat? You guys, come here, look at this. We have our Parmesan cheese bowl. Oh, you are a thing of beauty. Look at how beautiful this looks. Let's start putting this together. We have our cheese bowl right here. Now I'm just gonna add my zoodles. That just smells so incredibly delicious. I can smell the garlic. Oh, look at that. You are so beautiful. A little sprinkle, sprinkle. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of mint. Voila. You guys, you don't even need a fork. And don't forget, remember, I told you guys I wanted to start a debate in the comment section. Why am I saying comment? Comment, I know, in the comment. I want to start a debate, so make sure you guys comment below. Would you eat a bowl of macaroni and cheese with a spoon or a fork? Or better yet, why don't you just make a Parmesan cheese bowl and you don't need to use either? Oh, bon appetit. I'm so silly. Make sure you guys subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. And if you are subscribed, don't forget to click that bell to get notified for future episodes. This is so delicious. Bye, guys. See you later.